Chicken Schnitzel, AKA cutlet, and we're topping it with our frisée salad with the radishes and apples. When we're making breaded anything, when we're making a cutlet, an eggplant steak, or a piece of chicken, or pork, or veal, or beef, whatever we're breading, you want to season every single layer, okay? So in other words, our chicken cutlets, they're seasoned with salt and pepper. Our flour station, flour, eggs, and breadcrumbs, standard breading procedure is what we have on the countertop here. Flour is seasoned. Eggs, we're going to season with some Dijon mustard. Spice the eggs up. Ooh. For a traditional schnitzel, I like garlic and onion in the fine breadcrumbs. And always, always, always a little freshly grated nutmeg. Also, a little lemon zest is nice in your schnitzel. I'll just steal a little zest. I want a little lemon zest in this. So every single layer of what we are passing the chicken through has some sort of seasoning going on. Your cooking oil should be innocuous. It should be oil you can see through, neutral oil. You want to have oil that you can see through so that it has a high cooking temp. Okay. I'm gonna put this as close to our oil as possible. I'm gonna get your cutlets down here for you.
All right.
Flour, shake off excess. Egg, shake off excess.
Okay.
Pat evenly all over both sides, then drop it into the oil. Always have a pan ready with a wire rim inside a rimmed baking sheet to go into a warm oven and keep the cutlets crispy on all sides. So when we bring home the boneless, skinless chicken breast from the grocery store, we take our boneless, skinless breast, put it down on our gel, a cutting board you can sanitize, not on your wooden counter, okay? And we're gonna put our hand flat on the top of the breast, holding it very firmly. We're gonna take a good sharp knife, I'm using a boning knife, and you're going to open the chicken like a book. You're gonna butterfly the chicken open and kind of move it over so it looks like a little heart shape, just like that, okay? Then you're going to cover the heart with a piece of parchment or a piece of plastic, or you can even put it in an individual baggie so it's ready to just pop in the freezer. And you're gonna take your mallet and pound it out evenly. When we use a meat mallet, it is not, you're trying to drag. So you can drag away from your body or towards your body, but you're looking for slow, even strokes that are very flat. And that's how you get these super-sized boys, these big, pretty guys. Nicely done, we got 2 in the pan. Look at these giant boys. These are the ones that Rita breaded. They've been cooking just during the break. They're gorgeous. So we're making the salad that we're going to put on top of the schnitzel. Lemon zest, lemon juice. Whenever we squeeze the lemons, squeeze them cut side up so that the seeds stay with the lemon and don't fall into your dressing. To this, we're going to add a drizzle of honey. We want a little bit of natural sweetener in our dressing. And a fat squirt of Dijon, which we used in the eggs for our breading station for our schnitzel. Fat squirt of that, salt and pepper. And then our acid for this is a little cider vinegar. And then you stream in your olive oil while you are mixing your dressing. So it's a Dijon honey dressing, basically, with a little shallot in it. We're gonna add some fresh thyme. And then we're going to add sweet apples, spicy watermelon radishes, or, straight up radish. Frisée, which is white and this fuzzy, looks very delicate, but it's actually very sturdy lettuce. Yep. And some endive or endive, however you'd like to say it. So this is Rita's cutlet. She made her chicken schnitzel, AKA cutlet. And we're topping it with our frisée salad with the radishes and apples and the Dijon honey dressing. Gorgioso.